What is up, everybody? This is FNH with a brand new video to give you a quick update on a non-revocable Tutu app is actually on the way, and it'll be here literally in 2 to 3 days, April 27th to the 20 or April 28th. It'll be here in, like I said, 2 to 3 days. Essentially, like you can tell from the title and the video itself, Tutuapp is currently working on this release. They literally have something, if you see the video, I don't want to click into it because it's extremely loud, but they actually even show Spotify working, as you can literally see over here. They showed everything. They download Spotify, they actually click into it, they play it, it actually does work, it overall opens up and everything. So I wanted to just give you guys a quick update. Definitely keep subscribed to my channel if you want to see the video come out, how to download it, how to make it work, and essentially just go from there. But overall, they are coming up with a release. I know iOS Ninja is also working on one, and App Valley, Tweakbox, they're also working on theirs as well. But Tutuapp is the only one I see like constantly putting out like updates, telling people like, hey, we're coming out, we're doing this and whatnot, and essentially going from there. So yeah, guys, just definitely be sure to like share this video, follow, all that stuff, and essentially go from there. If you haven't already watched the Tutuapp Lite video, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll leave a link, I'll comment and pin my comment so you can go from there as well. And I also left a freaking tweet to them. I said, hey, if you want to check it out, go from here. No, but overall, I'm extremely excited. I'll let you know. I'm going to test it out, test all the apps out, and go from there so you guys can have it and you can test it out and basically have Spotify and all the other apps that you essentially wanted. And yeah, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. On that, FNH out. Peace.